Now dear students, next important feature of alkaline earth metals, diagonal relationship, right? Relationship or similarity between two elements in which manner? In the diagonal manner is called diagonal relationship, right? Beryllium shows similarities with aluminium, right? Similarities in physical properties, similarities in chemical properties. This relationship is called diagonal relationship. What is the direction? Horizontal, vertical or diagonal? Yes, diagonal, right? Now children, you know atomic size decreases from left to right. From left to right in the periodic table. And what is the position of aluminium in the modern periodic table? The right hand side. Aluminium is placed in 13th group below boron. Okay? And beryllium is first element of alkaline earth metals. And atomic size increases from top to bottom. Here trend is increase, here trend is decrease. Right? Then what is the similarity between beryllium and aluminium in terms of their atomic radii? Almost same. Small in size, right? First, the diagonal relationship between beryllium and aluminium is shown in terms of their atomic or ionic radii. Second important feature or similarity between two elements, like aluminium, beryllium is not readily attacked by acids. This property is very important property for reasoning question. What is the reason? Beryllium and aluminium, both elements form protective layer of oxides like this. Protective layer, thin layer of oxide. Right? This is aluminium, layer of oxide which is Al2O3, beryllium, layer of oxide which is BeO. Right? This layer of oxide decreases the tendency or reactivity of each one with acids. Slow reaction occurs. After removal of this oxide thin layer, then rate of reaction increases. Okay? Beryllium, aluminium and beryllium, like aluminium, beryllium is not readily reaction occurs. But what is the rate of reaction? Slow. Is not readily attacked by acids. Right? When metallic oxides react with acid, then what happens? Formation of mineral and water. For example, Al2O3 plus acid, then formation of AlCl3 and water. Okay, children? Now next feature. Their hydroxide formula of alkaline earth metals is MOH whole twice. Here M is Be. Their hydroxides, and hydroxide of aluminium is AlOH whole twice. Right? Valencies are unequal. Here valency is +2. Here valency of aluminium is +3. The hydroxide formula is AlOH whole twice. Here BeOH whole twice. Right? But what is the important feature of their hydroxides? Their hydroxides is excess of alkali. Excess of alkali, like excess of sodium hydroxide. Excess of sodium hydroxide. Then what happens? Formation of beryllium ion. Beryllium hydroxide in excess of alkali forms beryllium ion. This beryllium is tetra hydroxo beryllium ion. Tetra, its coordination number is 4. 4 OH groups are attached with beryllium. and charge on single OH group is -1. Right? Beryllium +2. Total negative charge -4 plus 2 -4 is equal to -2. Plus 2 -4 is equal to -2. This is remaining charge or unneutralized charge. What is written? Berylate ion. This is ionic state or ionic form of this compound. Right? This is not neutral compound. Right? Molecular ion. Second hydroxide is aluminum. What is tetrahydroxoaluminium? The 3 valency ion. And another ring of same compound is aluminate. Alumina is oxide. Al2O3 is alumina or aluminium oxide, and aluminate is hydroxide. Okay, children? But -1 is written here. +3. Total negative -4. +3 -4 is equal to -1. This is unneutralized charge or remaining charge. Right? Similarity between two aluminum and beryllium, formation of berylate and aluminate. This term is very important for objective questions. What is the correct formula of berylate ion? Different options are given. OH whole thrice, OH whole 4. Right? OH only. What is the correct answer? Just remember this formula, children. Right? Next, bridge chloride is touched. Bridge connection between two. One chlorine is common between two molecules, which is called bridge, and in which state vapor phase. BeCl2 forms dimer in vapor phase, but BeCl2 forms polymer chain structure. Right? This is the similarity. Next is similarity in terms of geometry. Bridge chloride structure. Okay, children? Next, Lewis acid. Lewis acid means electron deficient or efficient. Electron deficient ions or electron deficient molecules act as Lewis acid. Right? You know, in each case octet is incomplete. For example, BeCl2, incomplete octet. Right? Around this beryllium only 4 electrons are present. 2 of its own, and 2 electrons are coming from 2 atoms which are attached with beryllium. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of its own. Of this halogen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of this, and beryllium 1, 2. But how many electrons are present? 1, 2, around this 1, 2, 3, 4. This is incomplete octet. Less than 8 electrons are present. Octet means 8. Okay, children? Scientific term is octet, less than 8 electrons. This is called incomplete octet. Right? BeCl2 or beryllium halide acts as Lewis acid. Second, Lewis acid of aluminium is AlCl3. Right? Again electron deficient. Compounds of boron family are also electron deficient, like hydrides. Electron deficient hydrides of boron family, like BH3. BH3 forms dimer, which is called diboron. Right? Now, next electron deficient product of 13 group element is AlCl3, which acts as catalyst. Catalyst. Right? This is Lewis acid and acts as catalyst. In which reaction? Friedel-Crafts reaction. And Friedel-Crafts reaction is related with organic compounds. Reaction of organic compounds. Right? Hydrocarbons. Then halogenation occurs. Right? For example, where aluminium chloride acts as Lewis acid. benzene, this product is C6H6 benzene plus for halogenation or chlorination Cl2, and Lewis acid is AlCl3. FeCl3 also acts as Lewis acid, but here is discussion of digonal similarity between Be and aluminum compound. Okay children, in Friedel-Crafts reaction which is required for halogenation, CH3Cl, then anhydrous AlCl3. For halogenation of benzene, FeCl3 is required, but for alkylation of benzene, what is required? Anhydrous AlCl3, which acts as catalyst, and its nature is Lewis acid. Then formation of another product of benzene, which is methyl benzene or toluene. Right? In detail I will teach in organic chemistry. Here is only brief discussion, introduction of this Lewis acid, what is Lewis acid, and use of aluminium halide or aluminium chloride for conversion of one type of organic product into another type, and this reaction is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay.